Yo, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make animated captions in your favorite content creator style inside of Premiere Pro using Claude AI. Let's go. So we're inside of Premiere Pro. Today we're going to be using the AutoEdit Content Creator Mode plugin. To download it, I've linked to it down below. It's free to download. You go to Window, you hit Extensions, you click Content Creator Mode. That's how you open the plugin and it'll pop up. We're going to go over here to the Captions feature first. But yeah, it does have a Claude feature where you can literally type to edit out all the bad takes of your content for YouTube, TikTok, vlogs, etc. But today we're going to be doing the captions. We're first going to transcribe the captions. You literally hit transcribe, or I already transcribed mine earlier today. So I'm just going to use that. And then once it's done, you literally go ahead and you can start editing the caption styles. So you'll see a little preview of it right here. We're going to hit refresh the video so we can see a preview, and boom, look at that. Now we got all these captions. Today we're going to be making some custom captions. We're going to be making these more stylistic and cooler. We're going to try to do two styles. I'm going to try to do Alex Hormozy and like this other like serif one. So let's start off with the serif one. First up, how do we change the fucking font? The font, you go to the style tab, you hit the drop down on font, and then you can literally change the family setting to be whatever font you want. So you can actually search all of your preloaded fonts on your own computer. So we're going to search for DM serif because this is the one I want. I think it's called DM serif right here. Boom. There you go. Okay, cool. Now that's looking much better. I'm going to go ahead and scale up the font too, so it's a lot larger. This is looking very like autumn girl summer type vibes. And then we're going to go ahead and let's do a stroke for sure. Maybe I might not even want to do a stroke, but let's just go ahead and test it out. We're going to hit the drop down on color, and then we hit the drop down on or just increase the slider on outline width, and boom, look at that. Now we got some stroke added to it. This is looking pretty cool so far, but I want to go ahead and make this even nicer. So we can go ahead and change the base color. Right now we actually have an effect color going on. So it's doing karaoke, and you can see it highlights every word in this like pastelish blue color. So that's kind of cool. But if we want, we can go ahead and choose like a custom color by just setting the exact color tab. But let's low-key do this blue one. I think this is more the vibe I'm going for. So we can actually add some quick animation to this to make it pop. So let's hit the drop down on the karaoke, and then we're going to do a little active word scale. So it'll scale up each word as it pops in. And then now let's go ahead and hit generate. So now once we hit generate, boom, look at that. Just like that, we got all of our captions added. Wow, that is crazy. So it looks like it's completely formatted properly. They look really clean. They're already animated, and it was done for us in just a couple of clicks. So the cool thing about this is that now that we're done with it, we can literally hit save as a certain preset style, and then it will save the style for us. So I can hit save my style. I'm going to call this White Girl Summer. Yeah, there we go. Now we have our saved preset right here in the preview, and now we can go ahead and switch throughout any presets that we want. So this is honestly really cool because it makes it super easy to just switch through any pre-saved styles that you already made. Now let's go ahead and do some other stuff. So there's actually another cool feature in this caption applier where we can actually do call out words. So call out words are basically like stylistic edits. So you can make like these Instagram style edits literally using this plugin. It's really crazy. So we can go ahead and hit this version right here, and then we can actually customize the emphasis word to be like a certain color, a certain font, etc. And what this is going to do, let's actually do the emphasis word is like, let's do it yellow. And then once we hit detect callouts, it's going to detect the most important parts of your script based on what you're saying, and it's going to apply only callouts to those parts, which is actually really cool. So you can see best plugin for Premiere Pro, etc. Single click, and then we can go ahead and generate these emphasis words to our timeline, and boom, just like that, you can see it now made these emphasis words for us in the plugin. So you can see it automatically does call outs for certain words. And this is actually really cool because if you want to do motion graphic animations, you don't even have to do anything. It can just literally create these animations for you, essentially. This is a really cool feature to mess around with, play with. I know this preview example is pretty simple, but there's a lot of other cool call out caption styles that you can actually do and create. Like I said, mess around with it, have fun with it, see if this is anything that you'd find interesting or helpful to your workflow. Let me know if you have any questions. This Claude plugin is completely free to download, and the best part is it has a bunch of free forever tools like motion graphics tab where you can actually apply a bunch of pre-made animated motion graphics. So there's a bunch of caption templates in here that look really nice as well. Like I said, free forever. Download it, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Now, if you want to learn how you can use Claude AI to actually automatically edit your content with a singular prompt, then you can check out this video linked right here.